Alright, y'all. Check it out. Yeah, we did an install. We did his headlights from Enzo. Pretty nice lights, man. They look good. We got the brush guard, the rims, little lift. And here's my new product. TD LEDs. Curved light bar. Great quality, extreme brightness. See the curve bar? That's the 50 inch. If y'all need any light bars or any lighting products, get a hold of me. Here's the here's the switch for that product. Off and on. Nice switch. So you can see that's off. And look, it's daytime out. You know, it's sunny out. That shows you the brightness of the new product. Again, this is TD LEDs. This is a DD Brunette series 50-inch curved light bar. So if y'all looking for any TD LED products, give me a holler, man, and we can set something up and turn it off. And you can see the Brunette series, black on black. If you need to know what makes the series difference is from the inside. You see how it's a black interior. Other ones have a polished chrome or like a silver interior. So, and of course we could get any product from anything you see on tdleds.com. We could do window mount. Great product, man. Another one of my customers has it also. Courtney Hawkins from Chicago White Sox has it on his truck. This has flood spot all the way down and flood on the other end. And then these are the Enzo headlights. My product on the HIDs. We'll turn it off, bro. Alright, you see that? And I turn it on. See the headlights are off. Turn it all the way off. Alright, there you go. Now turn the park lights. See the Enzos are on, the I guess half halo headlights. And the LED. Y'all need something, give me a call.